This is Dave from RIVA Racing. I want to introduce the amazing RIVA Wet Sounds audio upgrade kit for Sea-Doo watercraft. We developed this kit with Wet Sounds, the leader in marine audio. It basically allows you to replace your middle-of-the-road speakers, your factory speakers, with these 6.5-inch high-output Wet Sounds Zero series speakers. The audio quality is absolutely amazing. Much better bass, much better mid-range, much better volume, and the installation only takes 10 minutes. It fits all Sea-Doo watercraft with integrated audio systems. That includes RXPX, RXTX, GTIs, GTRs, Fish Pros, everything. The kit includes everything you need for an easy 10-minute installation. Let's take a look in the box. First, we have some really nice, high-quality grills. Really nice. These are the adapter rings that allow you to bolt your 6.5-inch Zero speakers into the factory housings. And this is the Zero 6. Amazing high output speaker. Huge audio upgrade from the factory speakers. And then of course, we have some easy plug and play adapters. These adapters mate to the Zero 6 speaker, right to your factory wiring harness. So everything installs really easily with what we have included in this kit. The RIVA Wet Sounds kit delivers a huge improvement in both volume and audio quality. It also looks amazing on your Sea-Doo. Available now through RIVA Racing and our dealer network.